Hi, welcome. This video I'm going to explain about how to draw a polygon and what is polygon. Polygon is the number of sides more than four sides. Okay, so to draw a polygon, you need to go to this icon that is available in your draw commands bar. Okay, so to choose a polygon, you need to choose this icon and you need to give number of sides. The default one is minimum four sides you need to require. And next to that you can go a number of sides. Okay, so here I given a 6 sides for my polygon. You can draw a polygon by two methods. First one is the circle method and the second one is the edge method. If you know that polygon side, then you can go with the edge, that is the polygon. So for an example, I just draw a polygon by using a edge. So for that you need to choose this option. So it has the first point of a edge it is given here, and the second point of edge. Second point of edge you can give as 20. Okay, so second point of edge in the sense this is the side. So from here to here the dimension is 20 mm, that is 20 unit. So if you know the side value, then you go with the sides, that is edge. If you know the circle radius, then you go with the circle method. Okay, so the command for the polygon is pol. Once you given that, it has the number of sides. Here I give 5 sides, that is pentagon, and it has the center point of a polygon. I just given the center point as this one, and it has inscribed and circumscribed. Inscribed in the sense the polygon creates inside the circle, and if it is in a circumscribed, the circle, that is the polygon, creates outside the circle. Okay, now I go for a inscribed in circle, that is selected default. So again I press enter. It asks what is the radius of the circle. The radius of the circle already drawn as 50, so the same radius is given here. So the pentagon is created, and the edges, the sharp edges were contact with the circle. Suppose if I go for the circumscribed in a circle means, so the same center point is selected, and the command changed from previous to this one is circumscribed and inscribed. So the same radius value is given, it is 50, and you can identify which is bigger and which is smaller. Okay, if I know the circle radius, then I can choose this kind of polygon. Suppose if I don't know how to draw a polygon inside and outside the circle, means you can go with the edge method. Okay, again you choose a polygon and give a number of sides as 5, and you can draw the polygon by using the edge method. So type E and press enter. You need to choose the first end point of edge. So if you know the value of edge value, that is the side value, then you can choose this method, or else no need to go according to that. So I just switch on the ortho mode. I given a value as 50. Okay, I given the dimension, that is the length of this side is 50. Okay, once I given, it automatically assigns the length of the side is 50, that is each side is having a same length, so that's why it's called as a polygon. Okay, if you have any doubt, I clarify your doubt. This is a linear and its side value is 50. Okay, so for the same aligned value is also a 50. Okay, so I hope you understand well about how to draw a polygon. If you have any doubts, give your comments in a comment section. Thanks for watching this video, and thank you.